Prolog. So in I think in Ubuntu, what you have to do? So here we have a GUI base. So we are doing compiling and then we are making that. That means we are running. We are asking Prolog to use that file. But in uh, Ubuntu, we have to write this as a name of file. So I will, this way you have to write and you have to give the full stop. Then only it will use that particular thing. Now if I say listing, so it will show me all the commands in that particular file. Can you see this blue color? So that means you have to tell that I am going to use Z file and it will list all the commands, all the facts in all the clauses in that particular file, whatever you have written. Okay, so this is a listing. How we, whenever you use the database, you tell a DBMS that use this particular database. So suppose database name is DB1, so you say use DB1, and then you write create table inside that particular database, retrieve for retrieval, you write the retrieval command and so on. So this way only we have to tell that we have to tell compiler that I am going to use Z file, and in that Z file show me whatever is written. Okay, so it gives the list whatever you have written as a fact in a. So this is about only fact. So I will just wait a minute, just open one file. So we'll create some knowledge base. So can you see screen? Chetna madam?
Yes, ma'am.
What you can
Yes,
see?
ma'am. Knowledge base one.
Knowledge base one. Okay. So I will just show some example of knowledge base, how to create that. So let's say knowledge base one, where all facts are there. Okay. So woman, Mia, whatever we have done just now, all facts were there, no rules were there. Only facts were there, and we just ask question. So let's say this is knowledge base one, where we have written woman. So that means Mia is woman, Jody is woman, Yolanda is woman, and Jody plays air guitar, and there is a party. So can you see there is no arguments for party still? So it is just showing that ki party is there as a fact. So if you query woman Mia, then it will say true because it is written in your file. Woman Jody, it will give true. Woman Yolanda, it will give true. Plays air guitar, Jody true, party true. And if you write other than this, then it will give false. You just try this with whatever SWI you have or whatever Prolog you have on your machine. So commands are same. Commands are not different. So I should wait or I should go further? You otherwise you just try this. We'll take two, three example with one with facts and rules. Then we'll take facts with variables and all. And I will share this document with you.
I'm sorry to
Yeah.
disturb you. Can you show in the browser mode where do we compile the code? Because I do not find that option there.
Okay, okay. I also did not try, but let's.
Ma'am, in browser mode, we are not supposed to compile it. We just need to load the program or write the program code, and in the lower bottom, you have to place the query.
Then how do we create the knowledge base there? Or we create the knowledge base on
Yeah,
our system and then we just
you
upload
can
the
create
file?
a file. No. That you
Oh,
can do upload also, or you can write it in that window also. There's a file option there besides the SWISH. Yeah, that file option.
Okay.
You can save it. And to query, you'll put your query there.
Okay. Thank you so much.
The answer will come in the
Yeah,
above window.
yeah.
Yeah,
Can
see.
you woman Mia I have written and it is showing you have to click run
So there,
and then
so there are
it
three
will come.
pen. Huh?
True it will come.
And over here in this interface under examples, you'll get some examples as well. Some basic examples as well. You're having a full stop on the third line.
Yeah, yeah. Instead of party, if I write function
Is it
also,
okay, ma'am? Anuja, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. It's fine. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. And ma'am has already told you if you're using, say, command line based, how to do. She has already told you, right? The only thing is that in Jiva you have those three windows. In command line you only have the single window. So you need to first consult the code and then query the code. She has
so
already
you can use
told
any
Yes,
that
yes.
editor
part.
to write that and just you have to save that file with .pl and whenever you come to command prompt you have to just write that name of that particular file and dot is very important. So I have not written dot, so it will not execute till I put the dot. Then it will say that whatever file is there, it is a true because that file is present. That's what. If there is a error, then it will show error also. Now, then you can just post the query.
Ma'am, one
Yeah.
doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
On browser, if I am doing, I have to, means on query window, I need to delete the first query and then write the second query. Is it so?
No, madam. In that's what in browser we have to delete. We have to go to that particular this question mark and dash. Then only it
Question
will.
mark. Then we need to come back to question mark.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So here only we have to write, and then we have to erase, and then you have to write a second
Yeah.
query. It will not
Yeah, I
go
wrote
to.
it as woman, yeah, then it was showing true. And then
Ha,
next line I wrote it. That's right. I think.
that's what it will not show.
Hmm. Okay, okay.
Then you have to erase this and again you have to write next query.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I will like to add one more
Okay.
thing. When
Yes.
you are writing a
Yes.
single goal, that is a single query, that means a single goal you are trying to test whether it is true or false. So as you were saying, Anita ma'am, if you want to test two goals, then you need to do an comma between them. So first goal, comma, second goal, dot. That way you can test two goals if you want to. Or if you want to just test one goal, just erase it
Okay.
and put the other goal next time.
So I will come to
Okay.
that point also. Comma is nothing but and here. That is a conjunction. So if you are saying woman Mia and then woman Julie, then it will give false. Okay. But if you are writing semicolon woman Mia or woman Julie, then it will show true. So it is a comma is nothing but your and then semicolon is nothing but this disjunction, that is or. So I guess you understood this. We'll go for next knowledge base. So you can see this knowledge base has facts, happy Yolanda, listen to music Yolanda, then listen to music. When Yolanda listen to music if Yolanda is happy. That is a rule. Plays air guitar, Mia plays air guitar if Mia listen to music. Yolanda plays air guitar if Yolanda listen to music. So here in first knowledge base, you can ask students, okay, these only will first go for facts. Then in same practical session, then after doing knowledge base 1, that means only facts, you can go for second file, that is with rules. And then you can ask them to execute that. So here whatever I explain this colon and dash. So this is a rule, and how to read is Yolanda listen to music if Yolanda is happy. So that way you can read this. That means if this particular part is true, then only you will get true option. Okay. So happy Yolanda. So happy Yolanda is there in your file. Then only it will give true as a body. So if body is true, that means this part is true, then only you will get answer as a true. Hopefully you understand. If you want, you can do it. Otherwise, we'll go for next part.
I guess we give some time for participants to try this out
Yeah. Yes, yes, sir.
if
No
they
problem.
wish.
I am going fast, sir.
No.
Is it
That is
okay?
okay.
Participants?
Ma'am, can you paste that typing part
Yes,
in
yes.
the chat box
Yes,
so
yes.
that we can
Yes,
copy
yes.
it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No problem. Anyway, I am going to share
That's a
this
good
file
suggestion.
also, but still I will paste it. Query खाली है.
There is a request from some participants to
Yeah.
show the queries in again browser-based interface once.
Okay, okay, okay. So this is browser. Now these are facts we have written, and you have to write in front of this question mark and dash. This is a command. How in shell script we have dollar. Similar way we have question mark and dash in SWI. Dot is very important. Do not forget dot. If you don't put dot, then it will not work. So just I am writing woman Jodi. Jodi is woman or not? Is Jodi woman? So if I run, I get answer true. So if I remove this, here it is giving this one output. But in SWI, if I do it in SWI, it will not give. It's visible, sir. SWI prologue is visible. If I give dot, then it gives output. If I remove this, then it will not give me output till I put dot. But here it is giving in SWI.
Yes, both are visible.
Yeah. Okay.